this video clip, I'll be talking about our final sanding and our final inspection. After letting our third coat dry for 24 hours, our transition from sheet to sheet of drywall should be near perfect. What we're going to do now is we're going to do one last sanding real lightly of this third coat, and then we'll be ready to inspect our wall. That feels pretty good, just like that. After sanding our third coat, we need to go back and inspect our wall. I have here some mud that I accidentally got on the wall. I'm going to go ahead and have to take that down. What I always like to do is just run my hand along the wall once it is finished, and just to see if I can feel any divots or any high areas. If you do feel them, you're going to want to go ahead and fix those before we can move on to priming our wall.